Good morning class, this is lecture number 6 of chapter number 6. Okay, today in this lecture we are discussing the exercise 6C, question number 2nd. Okay, question number 2nd is based on the question number 1st. Okay, if you have cleared the question number 1st, then it is very easy to find out A union B union C, but there is a bracket, A union B union C and A union B union C in the above, and then verify that these two are equal. Okay, first of all we have to find out, then we can verify. Okay, A union B union C. Okay, student, first of all we have to find out B union C. B union C means 2 4 6 8 and 2 3 7. So B union C is, can you find out B union C? 2 and 2 repeated, so 2 3 4 6 7 8. Total number of element 3 plus 4 7. 2 is repeated, so total number of element are 6. Now A union B. A union B, 1 2 3 4. 2 and 4 repeated, so 1 2 3 4 6 and 8. Now the question is, we have to find out A union B union C. First of all we have to find out A B union C. B union C 2 4 6 8, sorry 2 3 4 6 7 8 and 1 2 3 4. So we have to find out these two. A union, okay, we have already found this. Now we have to find out A union B union C. This is a only one set now. Okay, B union C is a single set. Okay, 1 2 3 4 repeated element are 2 and 3 also repeated. Okay, so number of elements are 4 plus total 6 10 and repeated element 2 3 and 4. So remaining element are 7. So these are 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. Yes or no? Very simple. Now we have to find out A union B. A union B is 1 2 3 4 6 8, and we have to union it with C. C is 2 3 7. 2 3. Okay, 2 3. 2 3 are repeated element. So rest of the element, total number of element 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. Repeated element are 2. So remaining element are 7. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. Both are same or not? 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 6 7 8. So okay, so answer is verified. Okay, now question number 3rd. A equal to factor of 16 and B equal to factor of 24. Factor of, not multiple, factor of. Factor of 16 are 1 2 4 8 and 16, and factor of 24 are 1 2, factor of 24 1 2 3 4 6 8, then 12 and 24. Yes or no? These are the factor of 24. Let it be set B. And factor of 16, let it be set A. 1 2 4 8 and 16. Yes or no? Common element, what we have to find out? That A union B. A union B means we have to add all the element, and so 1 2 3 4 1 2 4 1 2 4, so 4 is repeated, 8 and 16 8 and 8. So total number of element 4 plus 4 8, 8 and 5 13, and repeated element are 4. So 13 minus 4, total number of element are, question number 3rd, this is question number 3rd. So total number of element of A union B are 9, because 4 are already repeated. So 1 2 3 4 6 8, then 12, then 16 and 24. So total number of element are 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 9. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Now we have question number 4. First set L, letter of cricket. L set is letter of cricket, C R I K E T, because C is repeated 2 times. Okay, C R I C K E T. So we have to take only one C. Okay, so cricket is CRICKET instead of that CRIKET. Okay, now second, caterpillar. M is caterpillar. So we have CA. Okay, TER PILER. Sorry, LAR. Actually, that is LLAR. CATERPILLAR. Okay. Now repeated element are A and A. So remove this. R and R. So remove this. Okay. Again L and L. So remove this also. So total number of element are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 3 are repeated. So remaining are 8. Okay. Now set N. So this is a simple way to find out. Okay. Caretaker. In caretaker we have 9 letters. 9 letters. Care, taker. T, A is repeated. TAKER. ER is also repeated. So we have total number of element are 6. Care, TK. Now, it is easy to find out L union M, M union N, L union. We stand for understood question number first. Okay. So these questions are very easy now. Okay. If you understood question number first, so for that you have to repeat the video. Okay. Now question number 5th. Question number 5th is your homework. Okay. Yes. Question number 5th is your homework. Question number 6. A equal to 4, 6, 9, 15, 20, 11, 21. B is 6, 15, 20, 23. We have to find out A union B. Very simple. A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B. Okay. We will discuss this question. Question number 6. We have A equal to 4, 6, 9, 15. 4, 6, 9, 15, 20 and 21. Okay. Then we have 6, 15, 20, 23. B. 6, 15, 20 and 20. These are the two sets. First question, we have to find out A and B. This is your homework. Second question, we have to find out A intersection B. A intersection B means common part, which is in both 15, 20, 15, 20, 6 and 6. So A intersection B is 6, 15 and 20. Okay. Common part from both of this side is the A intersection B, and total element which are not, okay, don't repeat the same element. Okay. Total number of element in A and B are the union of A and B, but you don't have to repeat any element. Okay. Now the third one, NA plus NB equal to NA union B plus NA. Verify. We have to verify. NA, number of element in set A. How many element? Number of element in A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of element in B. 4. What do you have to verify? NA plus NB equal to NA union B plus NA union B plus NA intersection B. We have all things. NA, left hand side, NA is 6 plus 4, that is 10. Right hand side, we don't have A union B. Let us find. A union B is 4, 6 is repeated, 9. Repeated element 6, 15 and 20. So rest of the element are in B. Okay. 4, 6, 9. 4, 6, 9. 15, 20, 21 and 23. Yes or no? Total number of element 3, 6 plus 4, 10, and repeated element this. So total number of element are 7. So NA union B is 7 plus NA intersection B is 3. So 7 plus 3 is 10. So RHS equal to LHS. Hence proved. Okay. Similarly, you have to find out the answer of question number 7. So exercise is completed. This is a complete syllabus for unit 2nd. Okay. For any doubt, please text me, or you can repeat also the video for the more clarity about the topic. Okay. So thank you so much. So we will discuss the next chapter in the next lecture. Okay. This is a complete syllabus for unit S, chapter number 4, 5 and 6. In the next lecture we will discuss percentage, very important chapter. Okay, thank you.